Shalom and you're welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can save deleted messages on WhatsApp. Alright, so yeah, it's possible to see deleted messages. Okay, it's possible to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, I'm going to use this account, okay, to receive a deleted message, and I'm going to show you how it will be saved. Okay, so this is the chat where I'll be sending the deleted message from. Alright, so let me go back to my other WhatsApp, and then let's just type let me even add sticker, and then let me also add an image. Yeah. Alright, so this is a message. First we are going to check how to see the deleted messages. So I'm going to first delete these two messages over here. Alright, I'm going to first delete these two messages over here, and then now that we've deleted those two messages, as you come here, you can see that this message was deleted. So now what will happen is that for those of you that have followed my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. But for those that have followed me for a long time, know about my WhatsApp bot. Alright, so when the WhatsApp bot is connected to your WhatsApp account, it will automatically send every deleted message straight into your own DM. So as you can see over here, deleted message intercepted, and then the content of the message, and then also this one too, the same thing. Okay, so if you would want to learn how you can also deploy your own WhatsApp bot so that you can use it to do other stuff like save deleted messages and see view ones and automatically view and like status and all of this kind of stuff, you can go into the description of the video, but then first you would have to subscribe to this channel and then like this video. Alright, so now let's try deleting the sticker and then the image and see whether that one too also logs in. It's also intercepted as a deleted message. So as you can see, it has automatically been forwarded over here. Yes. So the moment someone deletes a message or even a status, it would automatically be sent into your DM. That is one of the useful features of the WhatsApp bot, which you can also create for yourself if you go into the description of this video and find the video link to the tutorial of how you can also deploy your own WhatsApp bot. So we can control the bot from the menu, and we can decide to turn this feature off if we like. Okay, so these are some of the other commands of the bot. So we can turn off the auto save. Okay, we can turn it off, and then we can turn it on. Alright, so that's basically it. Yes. So likewise, you can also use it to save view ones. Let's just run through that one quickly. So I'm going to send an image as a view one. Alright, so I've sent myself an image as a view one. So this is it over here. So what we are going to do is that we are just going to reply to it with .save. You can also use .sv, especially if you don't want the person to know that what you are typing is going to save it. Yeah, you can also use .sv, and then it would automatically save it into your DM. So when I open it, the screen will be blank because of WhatsApp's security. You can't when you screen record and you open a V1, it will show blank here. But then yeah, that is how you can also use the bot to save V1. So like I said, you can go into the description of this video and get the link of how you can also create your own WhatsApp bot. And then with that, you would never miss a message that people didn't want you to see. And you can also save their V1s and all of this kind of stuff. Alright, so thank you for staying throughout this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more useful and amazing content like this. Like this video if you find it as useful and resourceful, and then if there's anything you would like to share out to me, maybe a new feature you'd want me to implement into the bot, you can let me know in the comment section, and I would be looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye.